Hey everyone again. Obviously you've just probably, if you've tuned into my channel, seen the review of my new measurement train, R3366, 43062 and 43014. Lovely set, looking forward to running it eventually with the two coaches I've got. Plan to expand in the future but no great need. Okay, so this is just a general chat. So I'm very eagerly waiting for the Class 91 to be released by Hornby. So went to a local model shop and I said, look, I want any news on when this is coming in, and no one seems to know. It keeps getting put off, as you guys will know, which is a bit annoying because all we want to do is enjoy these models. So basically all this video is, we're just going to have a look at this Mark III, LNER Mark III, which I bought for no apparent reason, because I already have the LNER power cars and 9 coaches all in order, but they for some reason released a second batch of these coaches, so this is like an extra, but no power cars. But they did bring some more out. Why? Don't know. So I'll just put it over there a minute. So obviously this is the Hornby catalogue. So I've pre-ordered the 91. Sorry, you can't quite see it. It's my fault. So I've pre-ordered the 91 in LNER colours. I did originally order it in that, and then I thought, nah, I'll get the LNER one because. So I've ordered all 9 coaches and the DVT. The coaches are up here, but there's still no. I've only seen CAD drawings of them. See here, they've re-released some more. Look, new quarter 2. So this is R4931E. There's HJ&L. They've done loads. But we'll have a look at that in a moment. Why they've released some more, I do not know. Right, anyway, so here we are. So I've pre-ordered all the coaches and the DVT. So hopefully they'll be out this year, Christmas, or possibly even January, February next year. It's just a really long time to wait for it, and I'm eagerly waiting for it. If I could afford it, I'd pre-order the Swallow and the GNER, but you're sort of looking just over £500 for this set. So £153 for the locomotive, or £152.99, and then £33.99 a coach, and then the DVT is £62.99. You do the maths. 9 times £33.99 plus £62.99 and £152.99. That's quite a lot of pennies. So yeah, I've ordered that. There's the GNER one. We've got some CAD pictures over here of the coaches, but there's no actual any preview of the coaches online. Hornby have released a picture of the LNER Class 91 the other day. Okay, so have a quick look at this LNER Mark III. Why they've re-released it, I don't know. Let's just have a quick look. I'll just pop this out. Try. What is it with these boxes? I'll use a ruler. There we go. Always use a ruler, because if you don't want to damage the box. So there we go. I do really like this livery. I don't know why. It's really just really striking. So this, I believe this is one of the second batch. So this is Coach E. As you can see, eventually if it focuses. Some really nice detail on these Mark IIIs. I think the livery really suits it. I don't know why. So it's 42191, and for some reason they've been releasing them with these stupid couplings on that nobody wants. So we take them off. I don't use them. I see people sell them on eBay now. Okay, so lovely. Not really much to say about it. Is a I know you think it's just a Mark III. Okay, so it comes with these couplings, and finally, I swear they listen to what I say sometimes. They've put the couplings in a bag, because before, when they were doing it, they were coming in a bag. You have to split open, and then obviously when you put these ones back in, you couldn't lock them in there, but now you can. Much better, I say. It should be. Why are they making these so big? Still making them quite big, but they're NEMs, so that's a start. So we'll just pop that in there. Same with this end. Just much easier for push and pull. I know they give you them for close coupling, but if they gave you an extra 2 to put in the HST, that would be ideal, but they don't. So yeah, there's our Mark III standard LNER. I guess I've used this post as an excuse to discuss the 91. If anyone knows when they're coming out, or has any information on them, or want to share anything, that'd be great. I'm very eagerly waiting for these to come out. Luckily the LNER 91s are still running, which is quite nice, so we can still enjoy them on the main line. Not all of them are running, obviously, but quite a handful, which is nice. Okay, so we'll pop this back in there for now. The other thing I wanted to touch on, so I've only started buying these the last couple of years, because for some reason they seem to be quite collectible, and then people seem to think they can charge £50 for this little thing here. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 7-plank wagon with Merry Christmas on it. So this is 2021. It's just come out, £15. So I don't mind paying £15 for it. Fair enough. Okay, so I've got, actually I lie, I've only got 2021, because they never really appealed to me. But now it appeals to me in a different way, because they are now a collectible, which is crazy really. They are really nice. Oh, I didn't know that. Well, it's the first one I've ever took out of the box. I didn't know it'd come out. Yeah, I looked online, I thought, well, maybe I'll get 2019 and 2018, then they're like £55, and I thought, how can you justify charging that for a wagon, which they probably make quite a lot of. Yeah, so just wanted to have a look at the Mark III, have a little bit of a moan about Hornby taking so long to bring the 91 out. I just hope it is absolutely amazing when it comes out. I hope it's going to be stunning. And just have a look at this really. They've only just brought these out. My local model shop's got about 3. The woman in there, she's sort of switched on, and she said, oh, there's a guy that normally comes in there and buys about 5 of them. He orders 5. I said, oh, is that so we keep one and sell the other 4 next year? Yeah, they seem to go for really silly money. But I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to collect a few, and then one Christmas, I'm going to run mine. I'm not too bothered about keeping it pristine. I've got a little baby on the way, so maybe in a couple of years he'll like the little train going under the tree to enjoy. Okay, so I'll pop that back in the box. Yeah, so that'll be really nice. Just pop that in there. Yeah, there's not really much to fill in about. Not really much else going on. Like I say in the last video, I've been speaking to someone that's very much interested in having a little building a railway between us, which would be quite nice, so hopefully we can do that. Anyway, I'm going to shoot off. Thanks ever so much for your time. Thanks for tuning in with my rubbish. Yeah, so like I say, I'll just use the LNER MK3 as an excuse to sort of discuss the 91 and have a look through the magazine. I love the 91. I always have loved Electra 91. I just hope that when it comes, it has been so worth the wait. Yeah, so I'll hopefully be showing you that real soon. Anyway, take care everyone, and I'll be tuning into all your videos, and I'll catch you all soon. Thanks.